In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change menu text color in Wix Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to customize the menu items that you have and how to specifically change the text color. You will also be able to change various other aspects about the menu and submenu. So to do this, go over to the Wix Studio editor, and in here, click on any of the menus that you would like to manage. Now use this little arrow at the right side of the screen to change options about it. So if you wish to customize the text, what you have to do after you click on the specific menu is to go over to the text category. So underneath the design option here, you will find text. Now you can customize some things about this, like the font, the size, but the main option that we are looking for is this icon right here. So it is going to be this A with this little paint droplet. And if you click on this, you can now pick a color. So as you can clearly see, the text color for all of the items in this menu has now been changed. You can add custom colors if you don't see it appear as a preset. And then you just select it from here. Once this is done, it will remain this color. So it is easy to do. You can change the spacing and other options, but like I said, the main thing that I wanted to showcase was how to change the color. You can also do an outline if you believe that it is hard to read, and you can even do highlights here. So it is super easy to set up. Now, if you wish to change the color of the background of this menu, then what you have to do is change the option from here. So under design, you have what do you want to design. You can change between menu items and menu container. Now with this, you can add a custom background color. So as you can see, I'm changing the background for this menu. But of course, if you would like to change the text color, aka the items inside, then you have to use the other option that I showed previously. You can do all sorts of custom things here with borders, corners, shadows, and so on, and it is easy to set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to change menu text color in Wix Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.